YouTube, back with another video. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that like, subscribe button. Today we're going to Capeway Rovers. I don't mind this track, it's cool. They pay a lot of money, so when you win out here, you do all right, at least on a local level. Not making thousands of dollars or anything like that. But it's getting early here, getting ready to go. All right, boys, at the gas station filling up the hog. Then we're off to the races. All right, boys, just gonna do a little bike work here. Got to put the air filter in. Pop showed up today, so get a little recreation with him. Pop the air filter in, tighten the chain, get this thing race ready for today. Hopefully we win some good money.
Oh, where your 12 is.
Tightening this bad wheel. Second weekend, she's already loosening up. All right, now stepping into the race rig. Gonna set up some goggles, put some tear-offs on, get all dialed in. Got all the goggles right here, tear-offs ready. Lace them up real quick. Practice goggles, race goggles. Set these bad boys up. Dude, if you guys race moto, these are a mando. These magnet holders, oh my God, makes my life so much easier. And the magnet paper towel holder and the glove holder, we're dialed. Definitely dialed. All right, about to go out for practice. Man, that new wheel looks beautiful. Bike work's all done. Just came off practice. The track is an absolute highway. Bike's working pretty good out there though. I might have to do a couple of suspension changes after the first race. I got the second moto today, so we're doing 3 classes, 6 motos total. So let's hopefully we can top 3 all of them. That'd be a blast. Come out with a decent amount of change today. All right, first race we're going out for today is the Open A. I think there's only 5 guys in that, so really need a top 3 in that one to get any money at all, because you get 4th or 5th, you're not getting nothing. So let's pray for top 3. Alright boys, just came off Moto 1 Open A. Won that moto. Good way to start the day off. Fired up. Just gotta keep this rolling. Got 5 more motos of that, so hopefully we can keep this consistently throughout the day. Good. The next one coming up is 450A, so that's a big money paying one. Let's see how we do. just came off 450 Moto 1. Got a terrible start. It's all good. Next time we got to get a better start. I got a bald ass tire on here, so barely getting any traction. If you guys can see, this thing is fully rounded off. We got no square edge. I've already flipped it around twice, so we've gotten every little bit of traction out of that tire. I think it's done. It's probably time to throw a new one on there. Got the 38 coming up. I don't really need a tire for that, so we'll throw it on for the second 450 moto. All right, boys, we had a serious traction issue the last time we went out in that 450 class, and that's a money race, so I definitely would have got a couple more spots ahead if I had some traction. So we're gonna change this back tire and throw an IRC M5B, which is the best all-around tire. You guys will see when I put it on. This thing's got some serious knobby and works at every single track. All right, guys, just came off 38. Terrible start. I forgot to pump my brakes, so I had no back brakes the first 2 corners. Completely forgot to pump my brakes up, so I got a terrible start. Had to come through the pack. Ended up getting up to second, I believe it was. And we had like 1 lap left to go and just had nowhere to really pass. It's kind of one line here, so you go outside, you go way outside. So I tried. The guy got me. Came down to like the last corner, but it's all right. We got the open A coming out. We won that first one, so second moto, hopefully the same thing. All right, guys, that's a wrap on the day. Ended up getting a flat in the 450A second moto. Of course, the big paying money race that I had for the day. Not too good. My battery died on my GoPro, so that was all the moto footage I get. So hopefully see you guys on the next one. Thanks for tuning in.